Toby is up and running. Ooh, Dash is going too.
Sam, do you like your present?
What?
Do you like your present?
Yeah. It's very.
Can you tell us why you got this?
Because I got you a balloon.
That's right. You earned your way to a balloon.
It's a great car.
Huh?
It's a great car.
The which car?
It's a great car. That's what it's called.
Was it up here before?
Uh-oh.
Oh, collision.
Collision, collision.
You know what you gotta do?
Don't worry.
Push the lever. You gotta push those levers over there.
Uh-oh, now we're getting some backup.
Push those levers up.
Daddy, you might need to
Yeah.
have an assist here.
Alright. We're gonna do that. Now we get everything back on track. Woo! Ellie, have you ever seen so many trains? I know. Is that Spencer?
Uh-oh, Sam. Ferdinand's his freight cars are...
That's not easy. There we go.
Look at everybody's going.
Yeah, it's a busy day here at the island of Toby.
Sam, do you love
Are
this?
you bigger?
Sam, do you love this or what?
Yes.
Uh-oh, Ferdinand caught up with Gordon.
Uh-oh.
Gordon's moving awfully slow.
Oh
Oh,
that fire
no.
engine again.
It's a fire engine.
Warning, warning.
Ah, no.
Alert.